Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Vernette. I help my students to achieve 5-figure sales in e-commerce business. Well, if you are new here, perhaps you click the subscribe and the little bell so that you won't miss my future videos. Today's video is about how to list your first product on Shopee. That once you list your product on Shopee, your product is immediately listed in Shopee Marketplace in the real time, whereas some of the marketplace would require to review each of the products before you got to list them. As we are running e-commerce business, our business should be up and running 24/7, 365 days. Delay in listing means delay in earning income. Indirectly, it is loss of income to you. So it is very crucial to start your e-commerce journey with Shopee, as there is no downtime for your product. So let's begin.
This is the Shopee Seller Centre. From your left-hand side menu, you can see product. Okay, you click on my product. Okay, this is where you add new product and a list of all your products. So we click on add a new product. Let me show you step by step. Okay, firstly, you need to key in the product name. I already have a sample here. Okay, the product name, what you need to take note is the keywords. You must understand that how people search products on Shopee is through keying the keywords, which is here. This is the Shopee homepage for buyer. If you are buyer, you will see this homepage on your mobile phone or laptop. So how are you going to search for the products that you want? There are thousands products, you know. So it's here. You see, search for products or brands or shops is here. If you are looking for LED lights, okay, what keywords that you will type? Okay, those keywords that bring your idea to how you want to name your product as a title. In this example, if I want to search for LED light, I will say USB LED light. Okay, whether it's mini or USB, it doesn't matter. The keyword is LED light. Because if you are a buyer, when you want to search for LED light, surely you will type here LED light. Correct or not? See, when you type LED light, all the related keyword will come up. Okay, so you as a seller, you need to know what are the keywords for each product. In this case, is LED light. So in your product name, you must put LED light. And then what is the features or unique function of your LED light? Because talking about LED light, there are a lot of types, a lot of different usage for different locations. So in this example, I said it's portable, bendable, metal neck, right? Okay, and the usage is usable for student in the bedroom, for PC, right? Or travel or outdoor. Okay, there's a maximum character that you can put in a product name, which is 120. Okay, so if you want to put the color like red or yellow, okay, you want to put in color also can. Okay, or you want to put in quantity that you are selling also can. So for example, 2 pieces per packet, something like that. So long you can fill in any information that you like your buyers to know, you can put in here is a maximum 120. The more information that you put in, the better. Easier for the buyer to look for your products. Okay, next, you need to choose a category in Shopee shop. You need to choose carefully so that when buyers search for LED lights, they will go into the correct category. So for this example, the category will be mobile and gadgets. And then the second layer of category, you need to narrow down their search, right? So is gadget. Okay, then you see portable LED light. Then you choose that. There will be more than 2 layers of category for you to choose. The purpose is for you to narrow down your products. Descriptions, you can put what will be the package that included. Okay? In this case is one USB LED light. Okay, for some of the supplier, they want to be unique. They can say plus 2 battery. If the package comes with 2 battery, then you can write 2 batteries. And the most important thing is measurement for the product that you list. The reason being, the buyer cannot touch the product, cannot see the products. They can only see from the photo, but sometimes because of the angle of taking photos, some of the photo may look big, but in the actual measurement may be different from what is seen from the eye judgment. So I encourage you to put in the real size of the product, followed by the features. If you are selling electronic product like this, then I encourage you to put in more information about the voltage. This is very important because we need to make sure our electronic products are safe to use. So we need to put in voltage and power. From my experience, the more information that you put in under product description, your potential buyer will get more understanding about the product that they are looking for. It will build the confidence of buyer by selecting your products. Next, this is the brand. If you scroll down, there are a lot of branding here. If you are selling or you are the distributor for all this brand, by all means, you can use that. Okay, you can use that. You can choose one of them. But if your product has no brand, then you choose no brand. We are not encourage you to use my collections. This one. If your product has no brand, you just simply put no brand. Okay, and the type. The type is standalone because it's simply a light, LED light. So it's standalone. Okay. After you fill in all the information, here is for you to fill in your selling price. How much you are willing to sell. Okay. For example, if I'm willing to sell at $5, just an example, and how many stock I have. Maybe I have 100 stock. Do you have variations? Okay, if you have, you can enable it. If you don't, you can close it. Okay, what is the variations? The variations means sometimes you will sell the light in a packet of 3, in a packet of 6, in a packet of 10, or you can sell in a packet of only yellow color, or you can sell in only green color, for example. So you can set your variation here. The more variation that you enter here, it means it bring more choices for your buyer to choose before they buy. Okay, so here is that enter the variation name, example color. So for example, I put color. So what are the colors that are available? For example, red, green, which means in your stock that you have these 3 colors. All right. Okay. Now here is your choices of color. So maybe you can set as different color, different price, or different color, same price. It doesn't matter. It just give choices to buyer to choose. Okay. For example, this one, red one. Just now I put the original price is $5. So I would like to remain as $5. How many stock I have? Okay. I can put, just now I put a stock of 100 if I'm not wrong. Then out of 100, how many stock is in red? Maybe 30. Okay. In yellow color, because this color is quite unique, so I decide to sell it more expensive. Maybe I sell it at $5.50, and I have a little stock. That's why I'm able to sell a bit higher price, for example. And for green one, maybe I have too many stock that I want to get rid of green. So maybe I can sell a bit cheaper $3. And how many stock I have? I have a total of 70 stock. This is the pricing strategy that different from shop to shop. This is just an example. After you set the price, here is for you to upload your photo. Yeah, there are one cover photo and followed by you can add a number of images up to maximum of 9 photo altogether, right? Okay, for photo, right, I have some advices to provide. The rule of thumb of a good product photo, it should be taken from different angle. Okay, it is best to take with white background. Okay, then let me show you. The gray area is for you to adjust your photo up and down. It just simply tell you that, hey, this is the maximum photo size that you can upload. Okay, so just now I was saying that the rule of thumb is for you to take photo in a white background. It's like this. Okay, it's like this white background, so that anything that goes into white background can clearly reflect on a photo. Okay, your buyer can clearly see what color, what product that they are buying. Okay, so this is the cover photo. You can add more photos related to LED light here from different angle. All right, lastly, you need to fill in the shipping. Okay, the weight is depends on how you sell it. If you sell one LED light, I think it's very light, but you sell one packet of 10 pieces, maybe it is 1 kg or 2 kg. Normally I will put allowance for this one. Maybe I'll put 4 kg. Okay, parcel size you do not need to put in our shipping setting earlier on. I have shown you that you can choose of Shopee supported logistic partner, or you can choose shipping fee included, right? Okay, for me, because LED light is a very small item and I do not want to bother my buyer to pay for it, then I choose shipping fee included. This means that my buyer will only pay for whatever selling price that they choose, and that's it. They will not be charged of any shipping fee. Okay, pre-order, no. Okay, if you don't choose pre-order, that means you need to ship up your order within 2 days. Yeah, that is already set in the my shipping. All right, condition new. Okay, everything okay, we save and publish. Immediately under your my products page, you already can see there is one product added. Okay, this product is already go live, as in you already can see it in consumer page. If you search for LED light, okay, somewhere you are able to see it. This product is live. And then after you go live, and after a while you think that maybe you want to change the product name, or you change the variation, or you want to change the price, you can always click edit, yeah, and come back to exactly where we left just now. You can change anything here anytime. After that, you click update. All right, that's all. You already have one product listed and it is published real time in Shopee Marketplace. Okay, congrats, you already running a e-commerce store on Shopee. Your business is up and running. Congrats. Yeah.
Well, so now you already list your first product. It also means that your e-store is up and running in Shopee. Congrats! I see you in next video. Bye bye.